doubt whether salt water is enhancing your hair loss, or can you wash your scalp with salt water after hair transplant? I have a question for you. When you bathe with salt water, are you losing your body hair? So can that be replaced for waxing or laser hair removal? No, isn't it? Similarly, if your scalp hair is in the telogen phase, meaning this is the root and this is the shaft. So when the hair is in the anagen phase, the shaft is actually connected to the root. That is why when you pull your hair, it hurts. It just doesn't come out. But when you wash your hair, the hair falls. It doesn't hurt. So meaning it is in the telogen phase. That is, the shaft is disconnected from the root. So when you have a lot of hair in the telogen phase, because of various conditions, it could be because you have internal hormone problem, nutritional deficiency, hypothyroidism, or it could be the products that you have used on your scalp. When the hair is in the telogen phase, when you add salt water and the cuticle is damaged, normal hair is actually hydrophobic, but then when the cuticle is damaged, water can get into this damaged follicle, make the hair heavy, and that's why it falls. So what's important is to maintain your hair in the anagen phase and not allow them to move towards telogen phase repeatedly.